Krishna Nidhi Clubhouse. Hi friends, welcome back to our channel Krishna Nidhi Clubhouse. Today we are going to learn an English grammar topic, pronouns. So let's start. Pronouns. A pronoun is a word that is used instead of a noun. प्रोनाउन एक वर्ड होता है जो कि नाउन की जगह पे यूज होता है. एग्जाम्पल्स: मीरा bought a vase. Meera wrapped up the vase in colorful paper. Meera gave the vase to Meera's mother. तो यहाँ पे हमने बार बार मीरा, वेज, मीरा बोल के यूज किया है. तो अब हम सीखेंगे नीचे प्रोनाउंस. मीरा bought a vase. She wrapped it up in colorful paper. She gave it to her mother. तो यहाँ पे हमने मीरा, वेस की जगह पे she, it, her यूज किया है. तो यहाँ पे she, it और her जो है वो प्रोनाउंस है. बार बार मीरा की जगह पे जो हमने वर्ड्स यूज किए हैं उसको बोलते हैं प्रोनाउंस. In the be sentences above, the words she, it and her are pronouns. जो be sentences है उसमें she, it और her pronouns है. They are used instead of the nouns in the a sentences. ये सब nouns की जगह पे यूज किए जाते हैं, जैसे कि a में. Pronouns that are most commonly used for people are called personal pronouns. जो pronouns है वो जो people के लिए यूज किए जाते हैं उसको बोलते हैं personal pronouns. जैसे कि I, me, my, mine, myself, we, us, our, ours, ourselves, you, your, yours, yourself, yourselves, she, her, hers, herself, they, them, their, theirs, theirselves, it, its, itself. Even though the it pronouns do not stand for people, they are known as personal pronouns. ये वाला pronoun it भले ही हम persons के लिए यूज नहीं करते हैं, animals या things के लिए यूज करते हैं, तो भी वो personal pronouns ही कहते हैं उसको. First person. These are used for the person or persons who are speaking. ये सारे जो words हैं वो सिर्फ first person के लिए यूज होते हैं, यानी कि जो खुद बात कर रहा है, जैसे कि I must win. Let us celebrate. Second person. These are used for the persons or persons spoken to. ये सारे जो वर्ड्स हैं वो सिर्फ सेकंड पर्सन के लिए यूज होते हैं, यानी कि जिससे हम बात कर रहे हैं, जैसे कि You may rest now. This book is yours. Third person. These are used for the person or persons or things spoken about. ये सारे जो वर्ड्स हैं वो ना कि फर्स्ट पर्सन के लिए यूज होते हैं ना कि सेकंड पर्सन के लिए. जो वहां पे नहीं होता है उसके लिए यूज होते हैं, यानी कि थर्ड पर्सन के लिए, जैसे कि he locked the door. It was a pretty flower. Now let's solve exercises. Underline the pronouns in the following sentences. इसमें हमें जो भी pronouns है उनको अंडरलाइन करना है. We enjoyed ourselves at the party. यहाँ पे we और ourselves pronouns है, लेकिन ये फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल किया हुआ है. Second, the boy fell and hurt himself. इसमें से pronoun कौन सा है? Himself. I hope you will get a first class. इसमें से pronoun कौन सा है? I or you. These books are ours. Take care of them. Ours, them. Is this pencil yours or hers? Yours, hers. The neighbor asked me if the cat was mine. Me, mine. Will you come with me to that cage? You, me. It is a fierce tiger. It. Why are you crying? You. Are you afraid of him? You, him. She set herself a hard task. She, herself. Let's do next exercise. Fill in the blanks with suitable pronouns. The cat turned around and licked itself. ये solved है. My father gave Dash a watch for Dash birthday. My father gave me a watch for my birthday. The boy said that Dash had written the poem Dash. The boy said that he had written the poem himself. The police asked the people if Dash had seen the robbers Dash. The police asked the people if they had seen the robbers themselves. Let Dash go for a picnic tomorrow. Us. The girl asked Dash mother to let Dash go out to play. The girl asked her mother to let her go out to play. The man told the boy, Dash must learn to defend Dash. The man told the boy, you must learn to defend yourself. Seeing that the squirrel was wounded, the man picked Dash up. It. Squirrel एक एनिमल है, इसलिए उसके लिए it आएगा. तो अब हम सीखेंगे reflexive pronouns. In the list given below, all the pronouns ending in self or selves are known as reflexive pronouns. जो pronouns self या फिर selves में end होते हैं उसको बोलते हैं reflexive pronouns. जैसे कि myself, yourself, himself, herself, ourselves, yourselves, itself, themselves. Reflexive pronouns refer back to the subject of the sentence. The prisoner locked himself in the room. तो यहाँ पे himself एक reflexive pronoun है. The birds protected themselves from the snake. यहाँ पे themselves है reflexive pronoun. The suffix self is used to indicate singular pronouns. The suffix selves indicates plural pronouns. तो अब हम करेंगे रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउंस का एक एक्सरसाइज। तो चलो शुरू करते हैं। I looked in and satisfied dash that the room was empty. Myself. तो ये एग्जाम्पल किया हुआ है। You must please dash first then anyone else. यहाँ पे आएगा yourself. You must please yourself first, then anyone else. He heard dash while shaving. तो यहाँ पे आएगा himself. He hurt himself while shaving. She cried dash to sleep. तो यहाँ पे आएगा herself. She cried herself to sleep. They convinced dash that they were right. तो यहाँ पे आएगा themselves. The cat licked dash and pewed. तो यहाँ पे आएगा itself क्योंकि cat एक एनिमल है। The cat licked itself and pewed. Helen treated dash to some chocolates. तो यहाँ पे आएगा herself. Helen treated herself to some chocolates. Mohan saw dash in the magic mirror and laughed. तो यहाँ पे आएगा himself. Mohan saw himself in the magic mirror and laughed. God helps those who help dash. तो यहाँ पे आएगा themselves. Slowly the sand sank down and settled dash into a pattern. तो यहाँ पे आएगा itself. Slowly the sand sank down and settled itself into a pattern. So I hope you understood the concept of pronouns. Pronouns क्या होते हैं और pronouns कैसे यूज होते हैं आपको अच्छे से समझ में आ गया होगा। अगर आपको मेरा वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो प्लीज इस वीडियो को लाइक करो और शेयर करो। So we will meet in the next video with a new topic. Till then, thank you. Bye bye. Hope you liked my video. Please subscribe and like to our channel. Thank you. Bye bye.